you always like this? How many times do I have to complain about this thing?
Like what? Why do I have to tell you I'm coming before I come?
Hey, no. Wait. NYANSA. Like, you know what? You have to stop this thing. Give me food. What is wrong with you? Didn't you see that was my only food in the fridge?
Oh no, wait. I've ordered food for you. I'm the first you.
You've ordered?
I ordered it for myself, but then it was keeping too long, so I decided to heat it and eat it. It's about the amount. No, you keep the food, keep it.
Mad. Masa.
From here. Come and take your food with me when it comes. I'll give it to you. Yeah, I respect that. I miss it too.
Suddenly you look like a stranger, a face I knew but I must forgotten. Emotional flicker, you were my everything. We know we could have done it better. Fought for the little things that we wanted. I know it was so good together. Still you had to let go. Oh, I wish that you hadn't pulled the trigger. Shut me down with my bitter heart. My blood is getting thicker. Shut me down.
And who was that?
Who was? Oh, that was Zion Felix. You know, he's a friend.
And what does he want?
What does he want? He's a friend. He has been around for some time now, and he's so cute, gentle. He asked me out today. So
No, wait. Zion Felix, the
blogger.
You are friends with Zion Felix, the whatever, and I'm not aware.
Do you have to get to know anything like him?
Yes.
Why?
Because I care. No, do we?
Let me tell you, let me explain. He's a friend. I met him for some, 3 to 4 months now. He's so gentle, not coward, he knows what he wants. You know, and one thing, he has to be. My friend, sit yourself. I'm out.
Suddenly you look like a stranger, a face I knew but I must forgotten. Emotional flicker, you were my everything. I know we could have done it better.
This. Should I go for this?
Go with the black. It's good.
Are you sure?
You know black looks good on you. You know.
I don't like your face.
Okay, just go with it. Come on.
Wish that you hadn't pulled the trigger. Shut me down with my bitter heart. My blood is getting thicker. You shut me down with my bitter heart. You swam so deep into my river. Your footsteps lead everywhere I go. I never was a weeper, but I'm still holding on.
Hey, how do I look? Huh?
What? It's a bit.
I'm just jealous. I'm out.
Suddenly you look like a stranger, a face I knew, but I must forgotten. Emotional flickers. You were my everything. We know we could have done it better. Fought for the little things that we wanted, and know it was a good together. Still you had to let go.
It's been very bad. Very bad. I believe she just went out. She has a date with Zion Felix, that blogger. Bro, you know what? You know we are friends, yeah? And I carry this friend zone thing. I don't want to complicate things. Are you sure about it? I will. I can't believe that I will.
Baby, I've been thinking about the things we said. Oh yeah. And maybe we'd be better off being just friends. Oh yeah. It's getting kinda obvious what you want from me. Only calling when you feel alone.
Hey, wake up. Wake up.
So, can't I sleep in peace?
Oh. So you're not coming?
Stop this unnecessary questions. Won't you even ask how my date went?
How did it go?
Suddenly you look like a stranger. A face I knew, but I must forgot.
The guy is so romantic.
Emotional.
When I got there, he opened the door for me. He was right there, held my hand, pulled the chair for me to sit on, ordered food for me. And the woman's place is very nice to take. And you know what? Get something. I'm talking to you.
What? Guess what? You know me too well. You know I'm not good at guessing.
Just say something like this.
I'm not good at it, you know.
Okay. He asked me out. He proposed.
John move. So, gentle, nini. On a first date, then you propose to a lady.
I even said yes. So.
No, you said yes.
Yes.
Hey, Florin.
What? Talk to me. Aren't you happy for me? Like you should be happy.
Happy? Happy that somebody's taking you away from me?
Somebody that loves me.
Somebody that loves you. Loves you more than I do?
Hey, you're acting weird.
Still you had to let go. Oh,
I love you.
wish that you hadn't pulled the trigger.
I love you beyond friendship.
Shut me down with my bitter
I've got strong feelings for you.
My blood is getting thicker. Oh, you shut me down. Oh, I wish.
Go back to sleep. You need it, okay?
Shut me down with my bitter heart. My blood is getting thicker. Oh, you shut me down, my bitter heart.
It's getting kinda obvious what you want from me. Only calling when you feel
NYANSA,
alone.
who is that?
You make promises.
Oh, NYANSA, I just needed.
Baby, I've been thinking about the things we said. Oh yeah. And maybe we'd be better off being just friends. kinda obvious what you want from me. Only calling when you feel alone. We said, oh yeah. And maybe we'd be better off being just friends. Oh yeah. It's getting kinda obvious.
You see what you caused? Like, this whole thing was just terrible. I told you. No, don't tell me to calm down. Everything we planned was going on well. I got in after the fake date, told him everything, and well, I don't know where he is. I just don't know. Oh, okay. Bye. All right. Yeah, who is there? Who is there?
Suddenly you look like a stranger.
I'm coming.
A face I knew but I must forgotten. Emotional flicker. You were my everything. You know we could have done it better. Fought for the little things that we wanted. I know it was
Can I have a seat?
together.
Can I offer you something?
Still you had to let go.
Really? Since when?
Oh, I wish that you
She's
had
stepping up
pulled the
the door.
trigger.
Since I have to usher
Shut
you a
me
seat before
down
you
with my
sit.
bed.
Sorry. I just didn't have the moral rights to use the key.
But see, I'm sorry for what happened the last time. I overreacted. I know, that was so silly, but I couldn't stand the fact that someone was taking you away from me. Someone was doing something I was supposed to do like a long time. See, I love you. That was a silly me overreacting again. I'm sorry.
I love you.
You had to pull the trigger. Shut me down with my bitter heart. My blood is getting thicker. Oh, you shut me down, you shut me down. Oh, I wish that you had to pull the trigger. Shut me down with my bitter heart. My blood is getting thicker. Oh, you shut me down, my bitter heart. Oh, baby, look at me just one more time. Tell me that you don't regret it. I really thought we were fine. Then you shot me down. Oh, I wish that you hadn't pulled the trigger.